In this video, we're going to talk about how to manually water your zones using the B-hyve Pro app. From the home screen, tap the remote button on the blue circle at the bottom of the screen. This will give you a list of all of your zones. Now there's 3 ways that you can manually water. You can go into one zone and water it individually. You can create a list of zones and water them together. Or you can use existing programs to water an existing program manually. To do one zone at a time, simply press the zone button, set a runtime, and then hit the play button at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll get a screen that shows you the amount of runtime that's left for that zone. You can skip this watering or just stop it by hitting the stop button at the bottom of the screen. To water a number of zones together, simply set a runtime for each zone and hit the green check mark to have it added to the list. Once you have added all of the zones that you would like on the list, simply tap the play button at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll see a screen that shows you the amount of runtime for each of these zones and how they will relate to each other. You can again skip the individual zone that's watering, or you can stop the whole manual program by hitting stop. Next, if you want to water manually using an existing program, tap Programs in the top right-hand corner of the screen and select from an existing program. You can tap that and it will automatically begin watering for that program. You can again skip or stop with the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Now, to simply water all of your zones for a set runtime, all you have to do is tap the play button and set a runtime and play. And now all of your zones will be added to a list and watered individually. You can again skip and stop as before. And that's how you manually water using the B-hyve Pro app. For more B-hyve video tutorials, be sure to check out our YouTube channel.